What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be syncing up the new TPMS that I'm getting on my new wheels to my car. So first of all, shout out to Import Image Racing for hooking me up with these new wheels. I've been working with them. They've had some great customer service. These wheels should be arriving anytime next week, but for now we gotta sync this up so as soon as I get my wheels, I can just throw them right on the car and everything's set to go. I don't have to stop by a tire shop to sync the new TPMS sensors from the wheels. So I wanna see if you guys can guess what wheels I'm going to be getting. Leave them in the comments down below. Just a little hint, they're coming from Import Image Racing. It's the only hint you get. Oh, one more hint. They're 18 by 9.5. So this is all I got in the box. Didn't really come with instructions. Checked my emails, no instructions there either. So I'm assuming it's pretty simple if they didn't come with instructions. So I'm gonna start off by turning this thing on. Okay, vehicle selection, a Subaru. No clue what I'm doing. Looks like I'm gonna have to give them a call or email them to see what happens. So that wraps up today's video. Good seeing you guys. Alright guys, so I just got a reply back and I watched a little video on how to do it, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Vehicle selection, Subaru, WRX. There's no option for an STI, but this looks like the same megahertz. I looked it up, so should be fine. So I hit that, now it's asking for the front left. Alright, so I'm just going to aim this at the TPMS sensor and hit this little Wi-Fi looking button. Retrieving data, and there it is. Sorry, it's a little blurry there. There it is. Now it's having me do the front right, and you just repeat this for all your tires, and then you get the information at the end. I was also trying to check in the owner's manual on page 1131. This is the TPMS section. I was trying to look for the frequency on here, but I didn't see it on here. They have some other information, but not what I was looking for. But I ended up finding out that it's 315 megahertz, so thank you, Buck, for wasting my time. Little fun fact for the day. Did you know that the air pressure increases about 4.3 psi when it gets nice and hot? I always thought it was about 5, but 4.3, fun fact. Well, approximately. And also, the tires are considered cold when the vehicle has been parked for at least 3 hours or has been driven less than 1 mile. Man, this is just full of fun facts in this book. I love this book. Buy stock wheels. Now I actually got to add this to my selling list along with all my other stuff I talked about in the other video. Alright, well, that was easy. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how to get the information from your TPMS sensor with this device. Import Image Racing sent this to me to get the information. I'm going to send it back to them, and then I should be receiving my wheels next week. Very excited. I hope you guys are also. Once again, make sure to leave a comment down below, see if you can guess which wheels I'm getting. Also guys, make sure to check out Import Image Racing. They have a lot of great stuff online. And it was so convenient having them not only get the rims from them, but they're putting the tires on as well. So it's gonna be here ready to just be put on the car, which is so much better than having a random shop try to put tires on your wheels, getting them all scratched up and everything. So I'm really excited for that. I appreciate the convenience and the fast service. I mean, they're turning this thing around really quick. I had just ordered it, so. Alright guys, and like I said, I'm going to try to put out more content now that I have the garage. I'm settled in. I'm going to start working out actually right now. I'm excited about my home gym. If you didn't see that video, make sure to check it out. My new home gym / garage. So I'm going to be working on the car in here, working on my body in here. So a lot of videos coming out soon. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.